Hello students, my name is Nazneen Akhtar. Welcome to my study channel Naz Study. Today the topic is on plant cell. In the last video I had discussed about the animal cell. So today with the help of this diagram we start discussing about the plant cell. We all know plant cell, animal cell, protista, fungi, they are all come under eukaryotic or eukaryotic cell, and they have eukaryotic organism because they have their nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane, and that is the important features that they have distinct nucleus, important features in eukaryotic cells, which is mainly defined by their nucleus, which is mainly defined by the presence of organelles, and these are the main characteristic. In that also there is a difference in plant cell and animal cell also. So we had in the last video I have discussed on the animal cells. Today we go on the plant cell to see what is present in plant cell that make it difference from the animal cell. So come to the diagram. See, this one is plant cell. Plant cell is the outer covering, and this one that is called as cell wall, and the cell wall is made of cellulose. Here, in case of fungi, it is made of chitin. In case of bacteria, it is made of peptidoglycan. Here, the cell wall is made of cellulose. When there is absence of cellulose in a place somewhere, there is a formation of peat, and that peat will help in exchange of materials in and out of the cell. After the cell wall, inside there is plasma membrane, and plasma membrane, just like animal cell, it has an outer covering. So then there is a plasma membrane, this layer. This one is your plasma membrane. And the organelles that are present in the plant cell are nucleus, mitochondria, then chloroplast, then endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosome, lysosome, so many cytoskeleton, so many organelles are there. So it is what in the inside the cell a jelly matrix like substance which is surrounded by plasma membrane, and inside that jelly matrix like substance which is there, this one, they are called as cytoplasm. In all the organelles, they are suspended inside the cytoplasm. All the things that organelles, they are held here by are suspended here. So this one, you see this last central, this is last central vacuole which is present in the plant cell. In animal cell, what we say, there is numerous vacuole, but in case of plant cell, there is one last central vacuole, and because it is in large in size, it shifted the nucleus toward one side. Okay, and what is nucleus? Nucleus we all know, just like it is the command of the cell, and this nucleus contains chromatin. This one is chromatin. This is nucleolus. Then nucleoplasm, just like outside cytoplasm, when it is surrounded by nuclear membrane, inside the nucleus it is called as nucleoplasm. And this nucleoplasm and plasma membrane, in between these two there is made a connective link, this one, and this is called as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, when they are attached with the this bodies, that is called as ribosome. And ribosome is what? It's the factory of protein synthesis. The protein synthesis takes place with the help of ribosome. Very important. When the ribosome attached with the ER, it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Otherwise, it is SER. You can call this as a SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When there is the absence of ribosome in their bodies, in their surface. Very important one is the plastid, which is present in plant cell, and that is absent in animal cell. In plant cell, there are different types of plastid: leucoplast, chloroplast, chromoplast, amyloplast, so many. So here we will discuss about the chloroplast. It is the structure of chloroplast, and chloroplast contains chlorophyll pigment, and chloroplast is the important to carry out the process of photosynthesis. That differentiate from the animal cell. In animal cell we don't have chloroplast, but in plants we have that is chloroplast there, that help in carrying out the process of photosynthesis. Cytoskeleton structure is present, and cytoskeleton is very few in nature, but its main is for providing shape and rigidity to the cell. And there is also these microbodies are present inside the cell. These microbodies are different type, like glioxysome, paroxysome, sperosome, and here I am discussing this one is as a sperosome. Lysosome in plant cell is also called as sperosome. And lysosome we all know as a suicide bag of the cell because it contains the hydrolytic enzyme, and that enzyme can digest the cell also at the time of emergency or at the time of need as it is required by the cell. Then lysosome is called a suicide bag of the cell. In plant it is called as sperosome. And also we know about Golgi body. It is present in the plant cell, in the animal cell. In plant, when this Golgi body is present, its name is given as a dictyosome. We are calling exclusively in plant cell as a dictyosome to the Golgi bodies. And the main thing in the plant cell is that centrosome absent, centriole is absent. That is present in where? In animal cell, but it is absent in plant cell. So friend, this is about the plant cell I have discussed here, and we will see the difference between plant and animal cells. Till then, we will wait and bye.